Hi everyone! So I was recently given a new doll and she came in great condition with no clothes, but her hair was just a little bit tangled and I need to spruce it up and give her a deep condition so that her hair will be gorgeous. So before I start her hair, I just want to say, you will be seeing a teeny bit of new doll in this video, but I'm going to make her a little shower dress for her to look gorgeous while she has like a hair makeover. So I'm making a halter neck top out of a plastic bag, out of the loops, and then I'm just twisting the rest of the plastic bag around to make the skirt of the dress. As you can see, it's a really great color. I love like the shade of pink that it is, and there you go. Just adjust it as you need to so that it wraps around really well and protects the doll, so you don't have to wash it afterwards. Protects her from any conditioner or soap. And also just tie all the loose bits together, knot it up and tuck it right underneath so the dress is nice and snug, and I love the way that it looks. I think she's all ready to get her hair done. Okay, so she is over a little tub and I'm pouring hotel conditioner over her. Just a little bit of leftover conditioner, great to recycle, and working it very gently in the hair. You don't want to make any more tangles and knots than there already are. And let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you can get a little brush. I used a little toothbrush, held on to the roots and just gently brushed or tried to untangle the rest of the hair. You have to go really slow and thorough, and just don't be too harsh. Don't pull out the hair while you're doing the brushing, and then rinse it off. Yeah, she's looking really good. And I'm just going to use my hands and just work through the hair to make sure that there's no more conditioner left, that everything is really thoroughly rinsed. And then I'm very gently just gonna pat out the rest of the hair. And after letting her dry a little while, I gave it a brush and she is looking so good. The hair is just amazing. It's so soft and straight and it's just lovely. So I'm going to make her a dress out of an old dress of mine, and the very first thing I'm going to do is cut off the front of the dress, because it has this really lovely crochet top and bottom. So I'm going to use this to make a wrap dress. So I'm cutting off the back of the dress and only using the front. I can use the back for something else, and just go over it with a pair of scissors very carefully. And I'm cutting off the straps as well, so I've got a lovely piece that I can drape around the doll in any way I like. So I could do it this way and get a kind of A-line dress, or I could just use it to make a little skirt, a nice like maxi skirt, kind of cute as well. I could make it into a dress with the crochet part as the bodice, which is kind of cute. Or I could make like a one shoulder type dress. Don't know what it's called, but yeah, that would be kind of fun. And I think it looks very cute like this too. This is the final look, and I used the dress strap to make a kind of little belt. So this dress is a kind of 1950s vintage flair that I absolutely love. And I'm going to be making more dolls dress and makeover videos, so do like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.